When it comes to roofing, shingles are one of the most popular and reliable materials for homes in Macomb. Known for their durability, affordability, and aesthetic appeal, shingles have long been a top choice for homeowners seeking long-lasting protection and a beautiful roof. Whether you're building a new home or replacing an old roof, choosing the right material is essential, and shingles offer a multitude of benefits that make them the best choice for your roof. In this article, we'll explore why shingles in Macomb are the ideal roofing solution for your home. Affordability and cost-effectiveness. One of the main reasons shingles are so popular is their affordability. Compared to other roofing materials such as slate, tile, or metal, shingles provide an excellent balance between quality and price. This makes them an ideal choice for homeowners in Macomb who want reliable protection without breaking the bank. Lower installation costs. Since shingles are relatively lightweight and easy to install, labor costs are often lower compared to more complex roofing materials. This makes the total cost of installation more affordable while still providing your home with excellent protection. Long-term value. Even though shingles are generally less expensive up front, they offer a great return on investment. They provide reliable durability and protection against the elements, meaning you can avoid frequent repairs or replacements, saving you money in the long run. For homeowners in Macomb looking for an economical roofing solution, shingles provide a high-quality, budget-friendly option. Durability and longevity. While shingles are known for their affordability, they don't sacrifice durability for the price. High-quality shingles can last for 20 to 30 years or more, depending on the type and conditions in Macomb. Modern shingles are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including high winds, rain, and temperature fluctuations. Weather resistance. Shingles Macomb are specifically designed to handle the local climate, which includes everything from summer storms to the cold, icy winters. Asphalt shingles, for example, are weather-resistant and are less prone to damage from hail and wind compared to other roofing materials. Wind and hail protection. Certain shingles, especially architectural shingles, are reinforced to withstand winds up to 130 miles per hour. This makes them ideal for homes in areas that experience strong winds or severe storms, providing you with peace of mind knowing your roof can stand up to the elements. With shingles, you're investing in a roof that will protect your home for many years to come, no matter the weather. Aesthetic appeal. Shingles Macomb come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and textures, making it easy to find an option that suits your home's design. Whether you have a traditional home or a more modern property, there is a shingle style that can enhance the overall look of your roof. Variety of styles. Three-tab shingles provide a more uniform, traditional look, while architectural shingles offer a more layered and textured appearance, giving your home a higher-end aesthetic. Designer shingles are available as well, allowing homeowners to choose shingles that mimic the look of more expensive roofing materials like cedar shakes or slate. Color options. From neutral tones like gray, brown, and black to vibrant shades like red and green, shingles come in a range of colors that can complement your home's exterior. The color of your shingles can enhance your home's curb appeal and make it stand out in the neighborhood. By choosing shingles, you get the flexibility to select a roofing material that aligns with your personal taste and the architectural style of your home. Low maintenance and easy repairs. One of the most convenient aspects of shingles is their low maintenance nature. Shingles are relatively easy to inspect, clean, and repair, making them a hassle-free option for homeowners in Macomb. Simple repairs. If a shingle becomes damaged or starts to curl, it is often a simple fix. A professional roofing contractor can easily replace individual shingles without needing to redo the entire roof. This is in stark contrast to more expensive roofing materials like tile, which can be difficult and costly to repair. Easy cleaning. Shingles are also easy to maintain. They can be cleaned by removing debris like leaves, twigs, and dirt from the roof surface, which helps prevent the growth of moss or algae. Regular cleaning can help prolong the life of your shingles and maintain the overall appearance of your roof. For homeowners looking for a roof that requires minimal upkeep, shingles are the perfect choice. Energy efficiency. In addition to being affordable and durable, Shingles Macomb can also contribute to a more energy-efficient home. Modern shingles are designed with energy savings in mind, helping to regulate the temperature inside your home and reduce reliance on air conditioning or heating. Cool roofing technology. Certain shingles come with reflective coatings that help reduce heat absorption, keeping your home cooler in the summer. This can significantly lower cooling costs, especially in the warmer months in Macomb, where summer temperatures can soar. Insulation benefits. Shingles also provide some degree of insulation, helping to keep your home warmer during the winter months and cooler during the summer. This contributes to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Conclusion. Shingles Macomb are the best choice for homeowners who want an affordable, durable, and visually appealing roofing solution. With their weather resistance, variety of styles, low maintenance requirements, and energy-saving benefits, shingles offer everything you need for a long-lasting roof. Whether you're replacing an old roof or building a new home, shingles provide the perfect balance of performance and aesthetic appeal, making them an excellent choice for homes in Macomb. If you want a roofing material that will stand the test of time without breaking the bank, shingles are the way to go.